If you're feeling the pinch this Christmas, then it's time to take a quick trip to Iceland. Right now at Iceland, you can grab the essential ingredients to cook a Christmas dinner. It will feed a family of 4 and all for just 20 quid. They have a great range of joints to choose from, but this 1 kilogram luxury stuffed turkey with bacon is only £10. Next, of course, you're going to grab yourself a bag of roast potatoes. This whole bag is only £1. For your sides, you've got this 20 pack of Yorkshire puddings. You're definitely going to end up with some left over, and again, only £1. Next, you've got your controversial Brussels sprouts, as well as your garden peas and your carrots, and you guessed it, all for only £1. Arguably, the best part of a Christmas dinner is your pigs in blankets. You can get this 12 pack for only £2.40. Not forgetting your dessert, we have this 6 pack of mince pies, and of course, they are £1. For all of you on a budget this Christmas, get yourselves down to Iceland and grab a bargain.